Hello guys, this is your RP sir, Rajendra sir. Hope you are all doing well. Many of the civil engineering students will be feeling very difficult in structural subjects. So if you wanted to become master in the structural engineering subjects, you should know the basics of engineering mechanics and strength of materials. As you already completed engineering mechanics, now we are going to start the new course on the new plus course on this strength of materials, which is starting from 13th July. Every day the classes will be from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. right? So if you wanted to become master in the structural engineering subjects, so don't miss to attend the strength of material classes by me, right? Starting from 13th July, every day 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. right? You can find enrollment link in the description, and at present that wonderful offer is also going on, so you can get 20% discount plus 10% reduction in the price of iconic subscription plus extra months, right? And use the referral code RPCIVIL, then you can get double dhamaka, right? Structural subjects you can start, and also you can enjoy this benefit of 30% off, right? Thank you.